Hello YouTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a charger for a battery using a solar panel. We're going to charge a battery using this solar panel, which you can see on the screen. This is a 12 volt solar panel. 12 volt solar panel, which is right here. I've already soldered the wires from the positive terminal and negative terminal. The wires are right here. The red one is the positive one, black is the negative one. The battery which I'm using is this. It's a 6 volt 5Ah battery. Okay, this is the battery. So other requirements of making this circuit are few diodes, transistor, a potentiometer, LED, resistors, multimeter for checking the voltage output, some wires, and a PCB board. Okay, so let's get started with the circuit. So here's the circuit. Here is the circuit. This is the circuit which I am using for the solar panel charging. Here is the solar panel which is of 12 volts. This is a solar panel. The solar panel positive terminal is connected to a diode. It is IN4007N. Again there is another diode IN4007N. Here is a voltage regulator IC LM317. Input terminal is connected to the diode, and output terminal is also connected to the diode with the resistor of 180 ohm connected. The adjustable terminal is connected to a transistor as well as a potentiometer of 1K. It's a variable resistor, a potentiometer. The transistor which I'm using here is a BC548 transistor. The collector terminal is connected to the 180 ohm resistor plus the adjustable terminal of LM317. The emitter terminal is grounded here, which is a ground, which is the negative. The base is connected to a 1K resistor. Further, the diode D2 is connected to a 10 ohm resistor. Both the outputs of the resistors are connected to a zener diode. The zener diode, and further the output is going to the battery, which is required. Here the output will produce more than 6 volts to charge the battery. The negative terminal of the solar panel is connected with these two and with the battery as well. So this is the circuit. So I've already prepared the circuit. I've made the circuit. I'm going to show you the circuit. That's a very easy circuit. You can make it very easily. So here it is the circuit. The circuit is the same I have prepared with the diagram specifications. Apart from that, I've already added a LED to show that my circuit is working. So I have connected a LED here, which is used to show that my circuit is working. This is the potentiometer and all the circuit elements here. This part of the circuit from these three diodes and a resistor and the female USB connector. This part of the circuit is not required as of in this video now. I have already made this circuit for some other purposes. This is not required in this video. The circuit which is used here is from from this resistor to this. The resistor is required to run the LED because the LED will not run with the amount of current that the circuit will produce. So I have connected a series resistor with the LED which is of 150 ohm at least. Okay, so when my circuit will be working, the LED will be glowing, and the current output can be shown using this multimeter I have used here. So let's put it on 20 volts. It's producing 0.09 volts because the solar panel is not in the sunlight, it's in my room. So let's put it outside and see that is the circuit producing the required amount of voltage. So now you can see that the LED is glowing and the output is 3.88 volts. So our battery will require more than 6 volts to charge. Right now it's producing 3.88 volts. So this is not working, but the circuit is working. We are not getting a proper output of more than 6 volt because the sunlight you can see the sunlight is not that much. It's evening time, and so we're not getting the proper sunlight. So but if we'll get the proper sunlight, we'll get more than 6 volts, at least 6.3 volts output. One thing I'm going to show you, that if I rotate the potentiometer here, the LED brightness will start to go down and it will go off. Let me put the multimeter. You can see the multimeter rating is 1.245 volts. LED will not glow. LED glows on more than 1.6 volts. So the after increasing more than 2 volts, the LED starts glowing, and it further starts glowing more and more. So 3.63 volts, and the LED is glowing. LED, it's showing that our circuit is working. So these two terminal which I put in the multimeter, I can connect to this battery to charge the battery, but right now it's not producing the proper amount of voltage, so I'm not charging it. When the sun will be fine, it's in the afternoon time, you can charge the battery. So that's all. This is the circuit. Have a final look, and that's all. Thanks, and like and subscribe my videos, and furthermore more videos are going to come. That's all. Bye bye.